Now, the next point we're going to talk about is how do you get paid as an affiliate? So usually affiliate companies, they pay out affiliates through the standard payout options, PayPal, Stripe. If there's some sort of Stripe integration in the US, for example, Payoneer, Venmo, right? Payoneer for many people that live abroad, wire transfer, um, and other payments and other payment providers. We, as the company Lash Palace, we also offer the majority of the payment options and integrate it into our system, which basically does it automatically, is PayPal, Venmo, and Wise, which allows us to make basically bank transfers. But we also work with Payoneer and just try to see that we can automate it. Right now we have to do all the payments manually, but it is possible. And we will add in the future also crypto. Some of the affiliate companies also offer crypto payments, so you just have to look out for these companies in case you're interested. But we will integrate these. How often will you get paid, and when will you get paid? That depends from company to company, but on average, I would say anywhere companies will pay you anywhere between 1-2 weeks or every 4 weeks. Some companies basically pay out every single week. Some companies pay out every 2 weeks, and some companies pay out, like I said, once a month. In our case, right now it's basically the mid of November 2024. We will pay out now for the first couple of days every day. Then until mid-February, we will pay out every week. And then we will start slowly integrating it that we will pay out once a month. And the reason being is that our products, they have usually a lead time of 4 days until they arrive. Some of the products a week, maybe 2 weeks, depending on your location in the world that you're located at. And of course, we have to make sure that we have the return policy of 14 days or to a month to be able to return your package so that we don't have any chargebacks. But again, that depends from company to company how they handle it, and I would just recommend you to look out for these different options that are out there, how they handle that.